Hi there, this is Diamond with WTI, and if you're looking to save time, money, and coffee, look no further. This is absolutely my favorite gadget that I have on my Breville coffee machine. This is just a funnel. Something simple can make your life so much easier. I'm running out the door in the morning with my kids. I don't want to be late for work. I hate leaving messes, so this gadget is absolutely amazing because it has no spill on my coffee. I used to waste so much coffee trying to get the perfect amount for my shot. Now, once you dial to the machine to your liking, you will get the same amount of coffee every time without any mess. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to clean. All you have to do is attach it to the handle, and it does have a little device where it clicks for the coffee to go in, and that is it. It's really simple and easy to use. It will save you a bunch of time. I know you will love this tool just as much as I do, but that is just our point of view.